Hello everyone, it's me again, Jen, and welcome back to my channel. And my video for today, I'm going to do a seafood mukbang. Yes, you hear it right. Kasi this morning, we went early to the place with lots of fishing boat. So seems like you watched the previous video that I posted that we went to this place and we buy some fish, shrimp, squid, and what else? Shrimp, squid, fish, and squid. Do I say it right? Yes. Mga seafoods. Yeah, it's fresh from the boat. And now, hindi ko na patagalin pa, hindi na wala na pabugas-bugas pa, kasi I'm craving for all of this, especially tinola, yung sinasabi na isda. And now, I'm going to do seafood mukbang. Yes, I'm excited. So now here guys, you can see all the foods that I crave for. Long time ago, akala ko sa Pilipinas ko lang makakain to. So, it's fresh kasi it's different pag hindi na siya fresh, naka-frozen na. So, I woke up early this morning because I really wanted to get this. Kailangan ko talagang kumain ng ganito. Kasi parang nagki-crave talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga yung tinola, yung kinilaw, yung basta mga seafoods. Kasi iba yung bumili ka sa store tapos naka-frozen na. So iba talaga pag fresh. So right here, look at this food. Yan. So I'm ready to eat. After we got home, yun, nilinis ko mga shrimp, yung isda, at saka yung gumawa ko yun. Niluto ko ito lahat. Just today. Just mukbang. Busugin ko yung sarili ko. Yes! Para akong isang month ako na hindi nakakain. Kaya yun, grabe. Ayan. Well, naglinis ako sa mga ganito. Niluto talaga ako ng rice para, ayun. Hindi kumpleto ang kain pag walang rice. Yan. So, I'm excited talaga. I just have coffee this morning bago ko umalis. Kaya yun, tumutunog na yung sikmura ko kasi gutom na ako. Nagluto ako. Ayan, nagsipag ako. Nagluto para makakain ng mga ganito. So, ayan. Let's start din kasi hindi na ako makapakintay pa. I can't wait to eat all of this food. Come on, let's eat. Shout out to my BFF, yung mga kaibigan ko nag-shout out sa akin on her last video. Shout out to Mike Cuestas and Angeline. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to Mike Cuestas. She's a newbie in YT world. So shout out sa inyo mga beshi. Ayan, mukbang ako. I do mukbang. Solo mukbang. But it's a seafood this time. Yeah, so let's eat. So I have this. So, yung dumating kami doon sa fishing boat place behind Hard Rock Casino, Biloxi. Marami ng mga tao. Dumating kami doon. Mas kami sa bahay. We left here in the house 6:30. So when we got there, already a lot of people buying fish, squid, fish. I already said fish. Favorite yung fish. Fish ang favorite ko. Fish, squid, shrimp, and what else? Squid, fish, shrimp. That's it. Ito ka may crabs din. I have crab but I didn't buy crabs. Kasi hindi ko marunong magtimayan. Then, I'm glad nakita ko ng dilis. Kasi gusto ko lang ng dilis. Saka, again, nagluto ko na paksiyo. Hindi. Ang sarap. It's good. Like, I feel I'm home in the Philippines eating all this food. I really crave this long time ago. Hey guys, kain tayo. Parang this is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I know some of the people you're there watching this video might be wonder why I'm using my hands. Well, I'm a Filipino. One of Filipino traits, eating is use their hands. But I wash my hands 10 times. Like we love to use our hands. So that's one of our Filipino traits or tradition. We use spoon and fork, but most of the time, especially like budol fart like this, yung mga lang, you're not in a social gathering, yung lang pang cowboy style, we use our hand. So ayan, people will say, oh, like, yeah, like, why did you use your hands? Well, it's good. You really enjoy your food. You know what, guys? I still want to eat. Wow! I feel like my stomach is already full. Para akong ito eh. Pero ilang taon, ilang buwan din hindi nakakain. Ang tawag mo? Sa Bisaya pa, naghinangul. That's what I am right now. Parang wala na bukas. Of course, pero pa ito bukas, hindi ko ito maubos. Ako na mag-isa eh. So, it took for me days, or maybe a week before I ate all of this. Kasi I wanna eat rice every day. Yeah. But today, since I cook all of this, tapos fresh, so kainin mo talaga. Diba? Bakit patagalin ko pa? Pero naano ko oh no! Yung pang Sprite. Sarap talaga siya. But it's so good pag may kasama ka, diba? Makasama ka kumakain. Gaya ko rin na mahilig kumakain. Or mahilig kumain. Wala muna akong dieta ngayon. No diet today. Or this time. Kasi, sino pa naman makapag-diet to? Sarap na pagkain to sa harap ko, diba? Kaya hindi mawawala talaga sa isip ko yung diet na yan. kailangan ko ng energy. Kasi after dito, maglinis ako ng bahay, maglaba ako. Yun, marami akong gagawin. Kaya, since today is Saturday, yun, gawain bahay. Tapos, mag-beauty. Alright guys, I'm already done eat my seafood mukbang. Yay! I'm so full. Yes. Like, gusto ko pa kumain, pero ayaw na ng tiyan ko. Yung utak ko, sabi gusto pa. Yung bibig ko, gusto rin. Pero yung sikmura ko, yung tiyan ko, ayaw na. Sabi niya, no space for new food. No space for new food. Alright guys, I really enjoy my mukbang today. So it feels so great because instead like no except it's fresh, tapos I cook it and alright guys, I'm already done eating my seafood mukbang. Yeah, I really enjoy my food. Like, maliban sa fresh, ako nagluto. Siyempre, masarap, di ba? And ako lang din mag-isang kumain. Wala akong kasama. Wala akong, ano ba yun? Walang kompetensya. Kaya yun, yung parang hindi na rin ako kumakain kasi ang dami pa mga tira. But I will still eat this the rest of the week. Yeah, I think so. Ayan, nakatulog ako. Limited lang yung rice ko, but na ngayon, no diet. And that's all my video for today. Hope nag-enjoy kayong nanood sa aking pagkain ngayon. I know for sure naglalaway kayo. Yes, huwag kayong sinungaling. Alam ko yun. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And this is Jen. And please don't forget to hit like, comment, and share if gusto niyo yung video na to. Yes, huwag kayong magsinungaling ha. Please subscribe yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel para maging updated kayo sa mga videos ko. And thank you so much to all my subscribers, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin. Thank you so much to the YT world that always supporting on my YouTube channel. This is Jen and see you soon again on my next vlog. Bye!